Welcome to Fresh Talk Network.
Every building that touches the sky, every road we travel on, every home we live in, all of it is possible because of labor. Labor is not just physical work. It is the foundation of human progress. From ancient times when people built pyramids and castles with their bare hands, to today's modern skyscrapers, the story of civilization is the story of labor. Think about it. Without construction workers, there would be no cities. Without farmers, there would be no food. Without cleaners, our hospitals and offices would not be safe. Without technicians, our homes would have no electricity or water. Labor is everywhere, yet often invisible. It is the backbone of every economy, every country, and every family. Today, we are going to talk about the unsung heroes of our world, the labor force. Yes, this month is very special because in this month we celebrate the hard work of laborers. This month is dedicated to them, the backbone of our society. We call it the Labor Month. Have you ever thought how the beautiful house you live in was made? Who built the big playground where you play with your friends? Have you ever wondered who makes those cool toys and chocolates you eat? Well, I can tell you one thing for sure. None of this would be possible without labor. I am sure you must have seen various kinds of laborers around you. But do you really see them? Do you realize the importance of their work in your life? No, right? You must understand that the work done by them is very important in our lives. So let's try to understand the value of labor. Hello and welcome to this channel. Do you think labor is just about doing household work or odd jobs? No, my dear children, labor is much more than that. Labor is the backbone of our society, the driving force of our growth, and the foundation of our economy. Labor is about the hard work and dedication of millions of people who make our world go round. It is about the farmers who feed us, the teachers who educate us, the doctors who heal us, the engineers who innovate, and the artists who inspire us. Labor is everywhere. It is the silent force that builds our roads, bridges, homes, and schools. It is the labor force that keeps our cities clean and our factories running. It is through labor that ideas come to life, products are made, and services are delivered. In simple words, my dear children, labor is just not a part of our lives. It is our life. But sometimes being a laborer is not easy. Often they have to leave their families behind and work alone in faraway places. These workers work tirelessly under the hot sun or in harsh weather conditions. Their hands get dirty, their backs ache, and sometimes they don't even get enough money for their work. Despite all these challenges, they keep working because they want to give a better life to their families. They are the real heroes of our society, the laborers who work hard and silently build our world. Do you know why we celebrate the Labor Day? To show respect and gratitude to all the hardworking people who make our lives easier. We celebrate the Labor Day to honor the contributions of the labor force and to recognize their importance in our society. It is a day to appreciate their hard work, dedication, and sacrifices they make every day. On this day, we remember that every worker deserves respect and dignity, regardless of their job or social status. It is a reminder that the labor force is the backbone of our economy and the driving force of our progress. My dear children, now close your eyes and think of all the work done by the laborers. Think of the school you study in, the playground you play in, the hospital you visit when you fall sick, the mall you shop from, the clothes you wear, the food you eat, everything that makes your life comfortable. All of this is possible because of labor. Now ask yourself, do they deserve our respect? Yes, of course they do. The laborers may not always have fancy offices or titles, but their work is essential for our survival and well-being. They are the ones who build the houses we live in, the roads we travel on, and the products we use every day. They are the ones who keep our cities clean, our factories running, and our farms producing food. Without the labor force, our world would grind to a halt. When I look at the skyscraper that pierce the clouds or the bridges that connect our cities, I wonder at the strength and skill of the laborers who made them possible. These magnificent structures are not just made out of steel and concrete, they are made out of sweat, determination, and the sheer hard work of the laborers. But unfortunately, many laborers do not get the respect they deserve. They are often seen as low-skilled workers who do not deserve the same rights and protections as other workers. They are often subjected to harsh working conditions, low wages, and discrimination. It is sad, but true. We need to remember that every job is important and every worker is valuable. The work done by laborers is not easy. They often work long and irregular hours, and they are exposed to dangerous working conditions. They need to be protected and their rights respected. It is our responsibility to ensure that laborers are treated fairly and that their work is valued. We can start by educating ourselves about the rights of laborers and the challenges they face. We can also support organizations that work to improve the lives of laborers and their families. By working together, we can create a better world for all workers. Let's begin by appreciating the laborers in our own lives. Let's thank the construction workers who built our homes, the farmers who grow our food, and the domestic workers who help us with household tasks. Let's recognize that their work is essential and that they deserve our respect and gratitude. As future citizens, we have a responsibility to create a society that values and respects its laborers. Let's start by educating ourselves and our peers about the importance of labor and the challenges faced by the labor force. Let's also support organizations and initiatives that work to improve the lives of laborers and their families. By working together, we can create a better future for all. You might be wondering, why do laborers need special safety measures? Is it really that dangerous for them to work? Well, yes, it is. You see, many laborers work in risky environments. Some work at great heights, like construction workers. Others work with heavy machinery or hazardous materials. It's important to keep them safe because their safety is our safety too. When laborers are injured or sick, it affects all of us. It affects the families who depend on the workers' income. And it affects the businesses that rely on the workers' skills and labor. Keeping laborers safe also makes good economic sense. It reduces the cost of accidents and helps businesses to retain skilled workers. But how can we make workplaces safer? Well, it starts with each one of us. Employers need to provide safe working conditions and train workers properly. Workers need to follow safety rules and report any hazards. And we, as individuals, can support measures that promote workplace safety. You might think that being a child, you can't do much to improve workplace safety. But that's not true. You can start by learning about safety rules and sharing that knowledge with others. You can also encourage your parents and friends to support businesses that prioritize workplace safety. Remember, every small step counts. And here is a fun fact for you. Did you know that the first Labor Day was celebrated in the United States on September 5th, 1882? It was a day to honor the contributions of workers and to advocate for their rights. Since then, Labor Day has been celebrated every year on the first Monday of May. It's amazing to see how people from different cultures and backgrounds come together to celebrate the hard work and dedication of the labor force. These celebrations serve as a reminder of the importance of labor in our society and the need to respect and protect the rights of workers. So the next time you see a construction worker building a new skyscraper or a farmer tending to the fields that provide you with food, take a moment to appreciate their hard work and dedication. Remember that their work is what enables you to live in a comfortable home, enjoy delicious food, and use the products that make your life easier. And let us not forget the role of education in promoting workplace safety. By educating ourselves and our future generations about safety protocols, we can create a culture of safety in our communities. Encourage your friends and neighbors to prioritize safety in their workplaces and support initiatives that promote workplace safety. Remember, safety is everyone's responsibility. By working together, we can create a safer work environment for all laborers. Let us all strive to create a world where laborers are not just respected, but also protected and valued. So, my dear children, It is the hard work of laborers that makes our world go round. Without them, our cities would not be able to function, our economies would not be able to grow, and our lives would not be as comfortable as they are. Therefore, it is our duty to respect and appreciate the labor force for their invaluable contributions to our society. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please hit the like button and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe for more informative and entertaining videos. Until next time, keep learning and stay curious.